So welcome in this free webinar on preparation and mind transformation to get your dream job. So this webinar is arranged by Institute Industry Forum and Technovision Academy. So just we'll start the session with a brief introduction about the forum and Technovision Academy. So we have formed this Institute Industry Forum to bridge the gap between academia and industry. As we know that industry is working at their own level and institutions are working at their own level. So there is some gap in between that. So with this forum, we are trying to bridge this gap. So under this forum, we started many activities like we arrange regular webinars. So the experts for these webinars are from industries as well as from institutions. Again, the members of this forum are from many reputed government and private engineering training institutions, engineering colleges, and many more organizations in India like IIT, NIT, CPRI, then NPTI, regulatory bodies, then various state GENCOs, Transcos, Discoms, Reliance, Tata, Adani, ABB, and many more private companies are there. Also, we give certification of appreciation to the speakers as well as we provide remuneration also, and certification of participation we give to the participants. Now, Technovision Academy is a organization which is giving services related to industries as well as institutions. Like this organization provides career counseling sessions, then industrial training courses, which are most important when you go in any industry for job. So you must have some technical knowledge for this. So for that, this Technovision Academy provides industrial training and different courses are launched, and the experts are from almost from industries as well as from institutions. Also, we provide this Technovision Academy provide hands-on training. So we have tie-up with some of the industries. So anyone who want to work at industry level, so he will get hands-on training there also. We also help in resume and interview preparation. Also, job updates, manpower supply, and placement services are also provided by the academy. Also, consultancy services for the system studies. If you want to go for any project, then system studies are most important. So those services are also provided. Also, we provide project installation, testing, and commissioning. And under this, we have student forum. So near about 500 students across India are connected under this forum. So we provide this free registration to the participants. So the aim of this particularly student forum is we generally provide technical knowledge to the particularly students, which under this we give them guidance, free guidance for the project, dissertation, thesis. Also, we participate these students into the different webinars, and we provide job updates to the participants. So these are activities of the forum. So recently we have launched these different courses, which are totally, we can say, industrial approach in these courses. So total practical knowledge, how to do maintenance, operation, and testing of the electrical equipments. So different types of courses we have recently launched. So we will start with the session. So once again, all are welcome on this platform. I am Santosh Kave, working as an additional executive engineer in Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company Limited, Mumbai. I will introduce myself brief that I'm in industry, especially in transmission section from 17 years. So I work at 400 by 220 kV substation at Padge for 6 years. Then I worked at HVDC Padge for the 8 years. Generally, I look after operation and maintenance of the EHV and HVDC. I am also now I am working in State Load Dispatch Center, Airoli, Maharashtra, and working in the REMC section, that is Renewable Energy Management Center, to manage the renewable energy in our Maharashtra state. And also I have presented many more papers in national and international conferences. And also I'm as a guest, invited as a guest faculty for especially for this HVDC and facts in renowned institutions like IITs, NITs, CPRI, NPTI, etc. So we'll start with the today's session. So for the preparation of our dream job, which things we have to take care into our mind. So first of all, for the preparation, we have strong resume, or we can call it as CV or biodata. So that must be very strong because you are represented by your resume. So your resume should be very strong, and it should not be same for all the jobs where you are applying. So it may vary post that as per the experience or as per the industry, we can say. And also some of the industries or some of the recruiters ask for the LinkedIn profile. So that also should be very nicely written, that profile. And to build up this, we can take there are so many online softwares are there for the standard resume development. So the resume builder softwares are there. Also, you can personally take the help of content writer. There are many more service people provide these content writing services. Also, earn experience or practical knowledge. This is most important factor for us. Whenever you go for any industry, they ask you for the practical experience. So anyhow, we have to work with the industry, and if you get the practical experience, there are more chances of our selection. So for that, you should try to connect with any industry so that you work there. There may be possibility that sometimes you may have to work without salary also. I have seen the example of some of the people who, just to gain the experience, they worked with some of the industries for some days, and after getting the experience, they get very good job. So we can say that hands-on training is most important. Only theory, if we go with the theory knowledge, so generally in industries, industries are asking for the hands-on training. Means actually when you perform your job by your hand, then that experience will be counted very much, because the industry expect your expertise in that field. You are hiring or posted generally to resolve the issues on the field. So that's why hands-on training is most important for us. Again, we have to improve our communication skills, because that is also whenever we go after this resume submission, and whenever you called from the particularly any company, so generally the communication starts. So generally when communication starts with our email, so there should be whenever you are communicating with any industry, so your language of written communication, that should also be very good. As well as whenever you face or go for any interview, so communication skills are most important for that. So for that, it is not necessary you should go for any classes and all those things. By your own practice, you can do the things. Just pronunciations and all those things we have to take care. There are online, so too much help is there. So don't go on investing on communication skills that you can develop by yourself. Also, if you are in a group with the friends, so just form one group and just whenever you talk, you speak in that particular language, English, we can say, so that our automatically communication skills developed. Again, next step is for we have to go for the interview preparation. So as per the industry, which industry you are applying, so according to that, you have to present yourself in the interview. So almost these industry people ask for your practical knowledge. Theory knowledge we already learned in our, especially in colleges. But when you go for the interview, people ask for your practical knowledge, because industry people is motto is only that you should have problem solving person, and for that they test your practical knowledge. So that's why I already told you that you should go on hands on training wherever you got it in any industry. Just go on taking that chance, because initial experience is most important, and on that experience we have actually get future job. Again, you should attend some trainings, conferences, and symposiums, because if you want to make your CV or biodata very strong, you have to be this some of the benefits of these trainings, conferences, and symposiums. So go on attending it. It will again make your CV strong. Also, you should write some papers in technical journals, as well as you should participate or you should write papers for conferences, like standard conferences like IEEE and all those things. There are so many conferences. You will get the updates on the Google itself. Again, we have to go for PG or PhD. If you get any part-time opportunity to complete your post-graduation or PhD work, so you should go for that, because that will also give you added advantage. When you are PG or PhD, actually you will get opportunities from industries as well as from institutions. So as actually we should take the benefit, or we can take the opportunity of working anywhere instead of remaining without job. It is my personal opinion to you that you should at least take opportunity, whether it is from industry or from institutions. Don't think about the salary, because your experience is most important at the initial stage. Then if after getting the experience, then later on you will be able to get too much opportunities, but initial experience is most important. Also, you should have at least knowledge of one subject, perfect knowledge of one subject. You should have command on that subject, so that will also give you the better chances of your selection for the particular industry. Also, when we think for the international job, actually we have to change our mindset of, generally people have affection to their motherland, and they don't go beyond their comfort zones. But we have to think beyond this, because this world is whole connected. We are actually all are now connected. So it is not difference where you are working now. It doesn't matter. There are so many communication sources as well as transport sources that easily you can, doesn't affect the where you are actually. Place doesn't affect now. So we have to change our mentality for this. We people generally think that there is no opportunity and nothing is going to happen. But in reality, there are so many opportunities are there, but just we have to grab those opportunity. We have to open our mind and we have to go for the these opportunities. So if you think for the international jobs, especially if we take the case of Gulf countries, especially Saudi Arabia and Dubai. So these are the best countries where we can earn too much money. And if we see the salary for this, if you work there, the salary is 5 to 6 times more as compared to India. And also the most benefit of this, again, there is a income tax free, means tax free income. So that is also one of the added advantage. And when you transfer that money in India, still you don't have to pay any tax. Still it is not imposed by Indian government. So we have to think for this. And Dubai experience among the world, it is the best experience in the world. If you work at Dubai for few years, you have so many opportunities in the world. And even people are choosing these Gulf countries now to work, even from European countries and these US, UK, people are also coming into these particularly Gulf countries for earning purpose, because they are getting more salary here. So just open the window of your mind, what we are actually bounded by our old belief systems, so that we have to break the boundary of that. So this webinar is a special motivation for everyone to think beyond the horizon. So for this, we have to do preparation for some of the aspects, like we have to first make your passport ready. So whether you are going or not going, it doesn't matter. You just apply for the passport. You can apply with urgent, or you can take some time also. So urgent passport you will get very easily with only rupees 4,000 is only you have to pay the fees for that. But you should make your passport ready, so that that passport number you can quote in your resume also. So that is also one of the advantage to you to build up your CV. You have to anyhow you have to make your CV very strong, as it is a competitive nature. So there are, for one vacancy there are so many people are applying. So in this such highest, we can say, competition, so your resume should be very strong. So for that, go on developing the resume. Then you should search for jobs. There are so many portals for jobs. There are so many newspapers. Also, there are some apps also in mobile. You can download those apps. Also, there are some websites, and recruiting agencies are also there. So you can take the advantage of this. We as a Technovision Academy also provide the job updates. Also, we have tie-up with some of the recruiter-based recruitment agencies. So we give job updates also. Going through selection procedure. So there is a selection procedure. Every company has different selection procedures, so that you have to follow as per that company rules. Then they provide you offer, so you should read that offer very thoroughly, because of without accepting means knowing the things, you should not accept the offer letter. All your salary, all your taxes, leaves, and all these things you have to check very carefully. Also, whenever you thought for any country and you get the opportunity there, you have to go for that. So there are so different types of visas. So you should apply for the visa and do that procedure. That is also important. Then you have to follow the travel procedure. Each country has some different rules. So as per that country, you have to think for it. Also, you should prepare your driving license from here. So in many countries, this license can be converted into their country license. So just prepare your driving license also. So that will also helpful to you for your future job in international level. Also, there is a, if you are still not in job, and if you are not still you are not any job in your hand, so you should not stay with an empty mind. Just do some things to earn something, because if you earn something, then you will be actually get some motivation from yourself So there are so many sources. If you have some funds, availability of funds, money is there, you can just invest with the small scale industries, or you can start your own business. It should not be very high level, but just small business, in even in partnership also you can start. Another best is the earning from YouTube. There are so many YouTubers, just students are there who are earning money from the YouTube. There are so many examples in the, they are earning the money from YouTube. So that also you can do one of the source. So how to prepare and all those things, that you can do it. Especially I have myself designed this one YouTube channel, and I know it how to monetize and all those things, all the procedures. If you want my help, I am ready for this. Also, you should deliver webinars, guest lectures, or take the opportunities so that some remuneration you will get from this activity. Also, you should work with small industry or in small institutions where you will get the some opportunity to work and to learn something practical. Also, you can go for your part-time jobs, and other time you should prepare for your future jobs. But still, you should not remain with empty mind. So online job opportunities are there. Now there is an era of these online jobs. So now there are so many opportunities. Just we have to search for this. So while choosing these opportunities, what we have to do and what we don't have to do it. So so we have to take care of some of the things while choosing your dream job. The first one is be careful about choosing job consultancies. Now, just some of days before, one of the our forum students forum member called me and told me that one of a consultancy which he inquired for job in particularly Saudi Arabia. So that initially at initial stage, that consultancy asked for him rupees 15,000. So he told me that it's a huge amount and he cannot pay. So that's why we have arranged the webinar for students with very much low price, so that everyone should get benefited. So we generally arrange such sessions for to help the students, because job consulting is most important. Whenever you choose that agency, there are so many chances of fraud, because there are very different agents. Some are actually genuine also, but you have to find out which is genuine, so that you have to choose. Also, my self experience, when I pass out from my government engineering college Amravati, so then I was, for some of the days I was not having job. So just I got some opportunity from my friend that they went to Goa for the job in Phenolics Industries. So they work actually under contract, under contracts, private contractors. So one of recruiter actually asked us, my brother and me, that you should pay rupees 5,000, and then you will get opportunity there. So because of this, we were don't having jobs, so we paid for that, and we went for that job. But after going there, we came to know that just it is a contractual basis job, and don't even not connected with that actually contractor also, that consultancy. So these such types of fraud may happen in your life also. So always think of selecting any recruiting agency. Again, after that, after some of the days, I was very lucky. So after some of days, I got opportunity. First time means MACB came for campus selection in 2004, and under this campus selection, I got selected as a junior engineer in MACB in 2004. Later on, this MACB is divided and converted into different companies. So that was one good experience for me, how fraud is happens with the students when we are freshers and we don't know anything. So always I'm requesting you to choose a job consultancy very carefully. Also, generally good agencies never ask for money. Actually, they have tie-up with the different companies. So company pays for that to provide the manpower to them. Generally, they doesn't ask for money. Whenever any company, any consultancy asks for you money, so you have to think for that. Or some of the consultancy take the charges for your all processing and all your formalities completion, but you have to choose genuine consultancy. Also, you should know your updates, job updates of your field, because whenever you go to any industry, so those updates are very useful while facing interview. Also check regular job updates. So I already told there are many newspapers, websites, many recruiting agencies are there, and some of the apps applications are also there in the phone, so that also you can install for to get the updates. Now we will go for the part of mind transformation. So this was the part of preparation. Now part comes for your transformation. Why we are not getting our dream job? So there is a very great quote by that great personality, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So he told us that dream transforms into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. So you have to think, and before thinking, you have to dream first. You have to visualize first that you have to visualize your dream job. Yes, I want this job. So according to that dream, you will work, and you will get the power to work for your dream. So dream is most important. Again, about dream, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir told us that dream is not the thing you see in sleep, but is that thing that doesn't let you sleep. Means we can say that uh, I will talk some words in Hindi also. कहा जाता है कि ड्रीम जो है ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जो हमें सोते समय ना दिखे. ऐसा ड्रीम होना चाहिए हमारा कि जिससे हमारी नींद ही फिट जाए. मीन्स ऐसा हमारा ड्रीम होना चाहिए. So I have also seen one dream to meet with this great personality, and according to that, my dream also has completed in 2014. I have presented one paper to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. I was from college days. I was having wish to meet such great personality, and that dream I have completed in 2014. I have presented one paper to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So I think that dream definitely works. So these are the highest paid CEOs or executives in the world. So we can see their salaries in dollars. So we can imagine that how these people are earning. So what is the difference between them and us? Why we are lack? Though we are a human being, all are same actually. But what make the difference? So our attitude of seeing to anything is most important. So that attitude we have to change. So these people are very focused, and they are actually they have totally practical attitude they have. So they are starting earning such high paid salaries. So this is an example of Sundaram Pichai, Sundar Pichai, who is a CEO of Google. So in 2020, his salary was 20 lakhs USD, which is around 50 crores approximate. So one Indian person can achieve such huge salary, then why I should not? What is the problem with me? So that we have to think for. So what are the issues? Why we are not unable to earn such money or why we are not able to get such our dream jobs, highest paid jobs. So there are some issues with our mind, that is mind blocks. So these mind blocks actually stopping us to reach our goal. So our belief system, actually, the first mind block is our belief system. First, we have to change our belief system, because in our belief, so for the job, there are so many misunderstanding and misbeliefs. So those misbeliefs we have to change. Then for going to job, we have low confidence level. So that also matters. If you have enough confidence for going to any industry, or you are applying for any job and you are facing any interview, so confidence is most important. And confidence comes from the experience. If you are actually worked on any system and you have hands-on experience on that system, definitely you will have a high confidence level. So I am once again requesting you should go for practical experience in your life, so that will automatically develop your confidence level. Whenever we have ignorance for anything, then there is a lack of confidence. But you have full knowledge of that thing and you are used to do that those things frequently, then you have highest confidence level. Again, we have lack of awareness. There are so many opportunities actually are in the market, but still we don't go for that. We, because of the, or we can come, we doesn't come to know that these are about these opportunities. So that is a lack of awareness. So that we have to increase our awareness. We have social media, we have so many platforms are there. So we have to be aware for this. There are so many webinars and all those things are going on. So we have to take the benefit of each and every webinar. Something we can learn from each thing. Also, another mind blocks we have, that is a homesickness. We people generally resist to leave our, especially our town as well as our country. So that homesickness we have, this is also one of our mind blocks. So that is not ever, that is not allowing us to grab more opportunities on our life. Also, there is a phobia of parents, that what will happen about my child. They have so much care about their attachment, not care, we can say it's actually attachment. So it's a home, that is a parent's phobia, what will happen with my child. But nothing will happen actually in reality. Every actually, if we give the opportunity to work, actually student can express, or their child can express himself in the world. So I want to quote my father's example. Still today also my father regrets sometimes, that he said me many times, in those days I was ITI, first class ITI person, and I were having a opportunity of ITI instructor. But their parents, his parent has not allowed him. They told that you are a or means you are a main in this our this family, so you are not, you should not go for the job. And still my father remember that incidents, and still he told me that I may be today retired person from the ITI institutes, because ITIs were most famous for in those days. So so this parents phobia, we have to actually parents that phobia we have to parents also remove. Then come out of comfort zone. Whenever we live at one place in one environment, then we accommodate ourselves in that environment, and we generally resist, we have resistance to come out of those that comfort zone. So we have to break those boundaries of that comfort zone, come out of that boundary, and just just express yourself. There are so many opportunities for us. Just we blame to the society and people and even this current time, but actually there are so many opportunities. Just we have to come out of our comfort zone. Then lack of proper guidance. You should have proper guidance for to clear your mental blocks. Again, there are such our misbeliefs, uh, that is we are underestimating ourselves, our value. I am not good enough. Always we say that I am not good enough. So we already give blame to the market. Now market is down, what I can do? But still we can say that people are getting the jobs, and high salary job also people are getting. So we cannot blame to the market. Actually, there is a issue with ourself. So sometimes we say that that kind of job doesn't exist. We say that it doesn't exist, but still there are opportunities in the market. We have poverty consciousness. We are comfort in our that living of poverty. So we generally don't break those bondages of poverty consciousness. So we have to come out why we should not be rich. Why should? So we have to prepare our mind for that. Richness is not a bad thing. Actually, without money, what you can do in your life? For everything you want money. So you just release this block of poverty consciousness. Then we have no investment attitude. Without investing, what we can get? Now you are you become pass out from your college or graduate. You have completed your graduation or PhD or any post graduation. So you have invested for that. So that's why in return you got the degree for. In this world there is nothing you will get without investment. So invest is most important. Even people think about that, why I should invest rupees 100 to get the job updates. Means without investment what we can get? Because without giving input, nothing output we cannot get. That is the rule of nature. So you have to invest yourself. You have to invest in yourself to build up yourself with full of knowledge, full of experience. You have to build up yourself. So invest in yourself. If you invest money on in yourself, you can earn money. So that is the thing. Also, there is a frustration comes to the people that I am not getting results. I am applying and but still I am not getting result. But you should try consistently. There should be consistency in your work. So there should not be any frustration for this. So these are some of the mind blocks and how to overcome these mind blocks. Because mind is a very subtle thing. It's our belief system. Actually, we have to reprogram our belief system. We have to change our mentality for this. And for this, actually, why manifestation on or what? Why we doesn't get any actual results? So the reason is that our particularly belief system. So we have to break these patterns of old belief system. So for that, we have some tools and techniques to break these patterns, and we can say called it as it's a complete mind transformation, because mind is actually our software. So you have to rewrite your software, and for that you have to reprogram it. You are the programmer. You can change your life by your thinking. You are the programmer, and you can attract in this world anything. You are actually a magnet. We are actually a magnet, like a magnet. We can attract anything in the world. So attract your dream job. You can attract your job also. Nothing is there. Just you have to raise your vibrations. If you raise your energy level, so everything will be attracted towards you only. Everything what you want. So just raise your vibrations. Whatever we have said, seen those high paid CEOs and executives. So they have raised their vibrations. So that's why they are pulling the highest salary from this world, from this different resources. So for that, we have to actually rewrite our belief system. So for that, what we can do, as it mind is a very subtle thing, so you have to go on in that subtle level to change the programming of your mind. Generally, why manifestation or why we didn't get a result? So the reason is that we have to reduce the gap between that thought and manifestation. Actually, our mind, when our mind goes on higher frequencies, so there is a creation of gap between your thought and manifestation or your results. So for that, you have to raise your vibration and you have to lower the frequency of that mind's thoughts. Then you can manifest. Manifest is a manifestation instantly you can do. Just you the thought you have created and just manifestation you will get, but you have to reduce the gap between those two things. So we will go on these techniques and tools how we can reprogram our subconscious mind. Generally our subconscious mind is very powerful and it need to be reprogrammed. So these are some of the tools and techniques for this. So the first one is a read daily positive affirmations. You have to change your vocabulary, what you are actually talking with you. So these are some of the affirmations which you should affirm in the morning, just when you awake in the morning, as well as when you go on your bed. At these two times, our subconscious mind door is open. Whenever you put whatever you want, so that will easily reprogram your subconscious mind. So all these affirmations, just you repeat yourself after awaking and also going to bed. So this will reprogram your subconscious mind. The first affirmation is, I am excited that every action I take moves me towards my perfect career. So these are very positive affirmations that will remove your negative thinking, negative patterns of related to your job. So already these patterns and belief systems are actually stopping you to grab you that opportunity. So just go on reading and these positive affirmations. The second one is become a powerful magnet as currency equal to current. You know, actually, this for what we are doing job. Ultimate aim is to earn money or currency, and currency means what? It is a current actually. You are not actually flowing that money in the form of physical matter, but actually you are attracting that energy. That's why currency is equal to current. So that current should, if you want to flow that current towards you, so you should become a powerful magnet. You should powerful magnet. We know that in electrical, whenever you pass current, highest current from any coil, so that will create magnetism. As the value of current increases, so the powerful magnetism can be created, and anything can you attract towards that magnet. So in the same way, we have to also charge ourselves by positivity. We have to reprogram ourselves. Then we will be a powerful magnet and we can attract that current. That is a currency we can attract towards us. So for that, we will get that all these jobs and all those things that will be the part of that only. Now I want to say about law of universal manifestation. You can manifest anything in your life with this tool and technique. So the law of universal manifestation says that you should, whatever you want, just create thoughts for that. Then you should add the visualization for this, because you are creating thoughts in your mind. In intellect, you are creating the picture of that, image of that. So that is a visualization. And visualization is a picturization, means practical we are actually doing. And you should add the emotions as you are actually doing that thing. So, and plus you have to add one more factor, that is action. You should take action also. You should do courses, you should read, build up your resume, you should take hands-on training, everything you should do from outside also. But at mental level, you should create thoughts, visualization, and emotions, as well as action from the outside. And this will be the highest manifestation tools for you to manifest your dream job. So these are our questions we have already seen. And also some of the techniques, like we have to change our vocabulary, day-to-day vocabulary. Actually, change the world, your world will change. If you change the world, your world will change. We have seen, generally we see in WhatsApps about and status, people are writing very different words. Some, just an example, in about, people write busy, I am busy, battery to die. What we are actually giving input to our subconscious mind by writing this. Whatever you see, whatever you feel, whatever you think, though, so that will be the part of your subconscious mind. So whatever data you are taking from this, your surrounding, that will process. So for that, you should give proper diet to your mind to process, and what to take from the social media and what not to take. So that you have to decide. Actually, you should not take this improper diet information, which is not useful for you. So you should take information which is only positive to achieve your goal. So you just take that information only. So that is a diet of your mind. So you should transform your confused energy, your scattered energy into focused energy. We know the magnifying glass, if you concentrate whole energy at one point, so that will burn everything. Why we are not getting jobs? Because we are scattered. Our energies, we are confused what to do, what not to do. There are so many options you have, and you are going here and there. Just focus on one thing only. So that will manifest. So focused energy is most important. Again, let go and release energy of negative emotions. Negative emotions, belief system, almost negative energy we have kept on hold. Even our mind and even our neural system also. We have created some pathways in our neural system in the brain. So there are some neural pathways connection we have formed because of some this belief system, misbeliefs. So according to that, we our habits has been created. So these are our belief systems, and these are tools and techniques that reform our mind. So this is our contact number details. So this you can take, and you can contact anytime, and whatever guidance you want from us, so that can be given, and it will be the proper guidance. Even you want counseling for the parents, that also can be given. We have so many experts from fields and as well as industries. Whatever knowledge you want, that we can provide. And we, it's a actually clear things here. There are no fraud and nothing, these things are there. So these are the very, you are in the safest hand of this forum, as well as Technovision Academy. So you will get a right direction from the right person. So that is our best assurance for all of you to get this, all the facilities from us. Okay. So once again, I am thanks to all of you for become part of this webinar. So now the session is open for the question answer. So I am unmuting yourself, so you can ask your doubts, and then we can discuss the things. So now I have kept unmuting option for yourself. So just click on that and you can talk, or you can write in chat box also. If you have some queries, you can ask or write in a chat box, so that can be addressed. So these are the contact details. Later on also, you can contact us and become a part of this academy, and you will get all the these facilities or the services you can take from the academy and is this forum also. Okay, this for more contact you can for more information you can contact. Otherwise, we can close the session now. So once again, thanks to all of you for this active participation in the today's webinar. Thank you.